Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. I realize you guys love the Target pre-Black Friday video and the Walmart video. Now I'm sharing the deals that Amazon have already for their early Black Friday sale. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related, so you get shopping videos, DIY, room makeover, organization, deals and more. So if you love these type of videos, continue watching to the end and subscribe. Now, Black Friday has started for most stores. Amazon already started sharing some of their early deals on their website. You can head on over to Amazon and search for what you want, and more than likely you will see a deal for that item. They have these curtain lights here. They have them in cool, they have them in blue, they have them in yellow, they have them in so different colors. And what I see so far, you're getting them for like $20.69, and you also save. So there's a 50% off coupon that you will save. So if you want to grab some of these deals, head on over to Amazon. I see a lot of stuff so far, such as text, I see Echo device, I see TVs. I'm going to share a few with you, so please continue watching and just listen to me as well while I go through these very quickly. Not going to take up a lot of your time. Now if you're looking for gifts, they can start getting gifts now. They have these coffee makers that you can purchase, Nespresso coffee maker. You have Sony LED. So if you know someone that need a TV, you can get a 65-inch, $698, $578. So based on the specs and all, you can get a TV for a different price range. Come and check them out. Those are like the Sony LEDs. They have Logitech keyboards, microphone. If you want boxers, blenders, jackets, there are so many products that they have going on right now, and the deals are great. When I scroll down on their website, I see that they have toys as well. So as I mentioned on the last video, now is the time to start purchasing your gifts for your loved ones for the Christmas. Don't wait until Christmas in December, like 2 days before you're rushing to get something. There are many deals that are going on now that you can grab. Some of these deals are really unbelievable, while some can pass. But like an air fryer, if you know someone that need an air fryer, there are so many air fryer here on special, $69. They have the pressure pot as well, $99, and they have different size. So if you know the size of the person family, you can give them a good size, $99. Pressure pots as well, as I said, they have the 9-in-1 for $104. So depending on what product that person need, it's great to purchase some of these items from now, because after the Black Friday sale, the prices are going to go back up. If you know someone that is into tech, if you know someone that loves to take photo, this instant mini photo camera would be great. So as you take a picture, it prints, and only $60 basically. So these were like $90, $100 and odd dollars, because I was looking at one the other day and it was like $110. So these prices aren't bad. If you're looking like toaster ovens, dishwash cloth, there are so many products that you can think of that someone might need. Wow, some of these deals aren't bad. This rag set here, I bought this rag set, and I use it in the kitchen. I use it to clean around stuff, and it absorbs water very good. It's lint free. I can tell you that's a good product to purchase. They have these container sets, the clear container organizing, $79 for a set. They have so many stuff here. They have organizing trays, they have decorative home decor products. You can get your perfume. So start shopping very early now. Look at this cup. This will be featured in a video that I have coming soon, so you guys can look out for that video. Not going to give you a lot of information here, but the Black Friday deals already start here, and there are so many discounts that are going on Amazon. I shared the Target video, and that one is going on pretty well. You guys love that video. You can get these organizers. These are great gifts as well for someone that you know is moving very soon. This is a great housewarming gift. Someone into makeup, teenager, these are some good stuff that you can purchase. You can get microphone, you can get bedding, you can get makeup, cosmetic sets, baby items. The deals are going on up to 35% off, 18% off some toys, 22% off. So it's best that you go over there, see if you like anything, and just purchase what you like. I hope you enjoy this quick video. I'm just sharing with you some of the stores that have some deals and just a few of the deals. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.